everyone and welcome to this video, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. You requested, guys, a lipstick or lip gloss swatches, so I got 10 lip glosses from BareMinerals, and it's their NUDE Buttercream Lipgloss Nude. So I bought all 10 shades, and when I was ordering I got this beautiful, from Look Fantastic, I got this beautiful makeup bag. I love this color. And I have all the shades in here. I'm not a lip gloss girl, I have to say. I'm not. I'm a more, or I thought I was more like a lipstick girl, but I was playing with these lip glosses over 2 weeks, and I was applying them, and I had them on for whole day, every day. I didn't use any lipsticks these 2 weeks. I only used these lip glosses, and I have to say I love them. I love them. They're creamy. They're not tacky. They're not gathering a lot in the center of my lips. They were nice. I love these lip glosses, and of course I'm going to do swatches so you can see how all of them look on my lips. And I just finished creating this makeup look with my Too Faced chocolate gold palette. So if you want to see, I'm going to put link down below or card up here so you can watch that video. But if you want to see all the lip glosses from Bare Cosmetics, please keep on watching. I have to say these lip glosses are not new, so they've been out for a while right now, but I just got them and I love them. Okay, this is how the packaging looks. It's nice, black, smooth, nothing very special. It says BareMinerals Buttercream Lip Gloss Nude. This is also the name on the top. There is name of the lip gloss. This is how the packaging, actual lip gloss, looks like. Really like this packaging. I love that you can see the name down here. Very soft, very easy. Love this matte up here. Love how you can see the shade. I think it's a very nice packaging. This is shade Heartbreaker. It's one of my favorite shades. So I'm going to apply them on my lips. I'm going to put the names of the lip glosses down here so you can see what shade it is, and give a thumbs up if you like this video. So let's start. Okay guys, I love all the shades. I think they're wonderful. These are amazing for the summer. They're not sticky, they're not heavy, they really moisturize the lips. The only thing you have to be careful with is not to apply too much. So take a little bit at time if you want to make it even. If you take too much at once, it's going to look streaky and it's going to look heavy, and it's going to be harder for you to make it very smooth and nice. So a little bit goes a long way. The only thing I don't like about the packaging is when you need to close it, you have to like push down this part. It doesn't happen with all of them, but with a couple of these I need to like push down a little bit harder to close it. The most of them are matte, but these 3 shades, this is Fair Out, Fly, and the last shade that I have on my lips, Comic, has a little bit of a sheen in them, into them. It has like a gold sparkles. They look very glossy, but a little bit of some shimmer in them, some gold sparkles or shimmer. I don't know what I should call them. But I really like the shades. One of the shades that are most popular, and I think it's Jaclyn Hill's and Kathleen Light's favorite, is this Groovy. I think I pronounced that right. It's this shade here. First time when I applied this shade, it was a little bit too much, and it looked kind of streaky, and it looked kind of too pale for my skin tone. But when I applied it, if you saw in this video, when I applied it just thin a layer, it looks beautiful on my lips, and it's a nice shade. I like this over another lipstick. Let me show you. If I take one of my new favorite lipsticks, where is it? This Oriflame in Melted Caramel. I used this shade. Really like this shade. And then I used this one over. And it got a little bit of the sheen and it looked beautiful. But this is how this looks by itself. So over another lipstick looks very nice, beautiful. Then I'm going to show you, if you take this shade here, that also is a little bit almost too pale for me if I applied a lot of it, Fair Out, that has some shimmer in it. I'm going to take the same lipstick. And then I'm going to apply this shade Fair Out over, just to show you. This is how it looks. It's this one here. Let me apply it by itself. Yes, and this is how it looks by itself. It's very pale, and I think it's very nice thing to put over other lipsticks. Love it, obsessed, very happy that I got all the shades. I have to say, I got a very nice, they are a little bit expensive, but I got 20% off for the whole purchase, so that's why I ordered all of them. And first I was scared I'm not going to like them because I do not like glosses, but these I'm obsessed. I love them, and I think now that I can say that I love glosses too, but that are not sticky. So if you want to purchase some lip glosses, I recommend these. They're beautiful, love them. So here are all the shades. I love them, I'm obsessed. Thank you so much for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget please to subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye!